Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am your host, Trojan, and welcome back to the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire gameplay series. Pretty much, I developed this game. I'm not the host of this game. I'm not the creator, but I did one of my technical projects. I just made this game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and that was one of the things that helped me just to improve on my web development skills. And now I'm going to be playing it for fun. And in the last episode, I think I got as far as 64 grand. And I was actually having such a good time, especially when it came to the computer science related questions. Now, before we get right into the video, I want to say a massive shout out to my 5th subscriber. We have hit the goal of 5 subscribers, because that was actually my New Year's resolution, to actually go ahead and achieve 5 subscribers. And we have done it. And just a fun, I think I have like 100 subscribers on my very old channel, but that's mostly bots and just like, it was like one of those subscribe websites basically, which I basically was just asking to subscribe to their channel and return to them subscribe to mine. So every single subscriber in this one, I earned it. Well, no, sorry. Not earned it. I mean, people want to subscribe to my content. And of course, you had the right to unsubscribe. So I'm not saying, that's what I'm saying. I'm not saying earned, but regardless, to my 5 subscribers and to anyone else who made me subscribed, or who hasn't subscribed, welcome to the channel. I'm going to go right into it because I'm going to have a lot of fun. And I'm going to try and beat 64 grand. Come on, let's do this. What does CPU stand for? Central Processing Unit. I'm so scared. I'm so scared to get the wrong ones. But is what type of is a markup language? If you were to code software in this language, you'd only be able to type 0s and 1s. That is binary. Which computer language would you associate the Django framework with? This is Python. Actually, someone recommended me to try out the Django framework. Maybe. What does the computer software acronym Java Virtual Machine? C. Full house, baby. 1 grand. Got all 3 lifelines. Order on, let's do it. What 5-letter word is the motto of the IBM computer company? Pixel, click, logic, think. Okay. I remember we got this in the previous episode, and I'm thinking between logic and think. I think it's D. If I was the CTO of IBM, I'll go think. Bye guys, let's go. 4 by 5 subscribers. Alright, on which day did the World Wide Web go online? Oh, I don't know this one actually. Oh, November the 24th, 1995. December the 17th, 1996. December the 20th, 1990. November the 12th, 1990. Okay, so I could go on a whim and I could go ask a friend with a chance of them knowing, but I would go with ask the audience, get this one out of the way, because even 50-50 isn't going to help. So the actual answer, I believe, is C. So December the 20th, 1990 was when the World Wide Web went online. Interesting. Fascinating. Thank you, audience. I believe in the audience, because I programmed it. Oh gosh. Which of the following is a personal computer made by the Japanese company Fujitsu? No. Okay, we had this is a similar situation. We had the same. I'm between C and D. I don't recall it being B. I don't recall it being A. I'm gonna go with A. I'm gonna go with C. I think it's C. I could be wrong though, folks. Ah, we got it wrong, folks. FM7 is the answer. We walk away with £1,000. Let's do this. Which company was established on April the 1st, 1976 by Steve Jobs? Okay, Steve Jobs, right? Wait, I always put Microsoft. I always put Microsoft, Apple. Okay, thank you. Central. I want to make sure I choose the right one. Oh, okay. If you want to code software in this language, okay, so thankfully we're getting repeated questions. What is the code name for the mobile operating system Android 7.0? Oh, I remember this one. Yes, I do remember this in the last episode. How many kilobytes? Oh boy, how many kilobytes in 1 gigabyte in decibels? Okay, so it's either A or C, right? And kilobytes and a gigabyte. I don't want to go. I'll go 50-50. Okay. It is a million. A million? Okay. All right. Nice. So, in any programming language, what is the most common way to iterate through an array? That is a for loop. We learn and we grow. Which computer hardware device provides an interface for all other connected devices to communicate? This is the motherboard. If you were to code software in this language, you'll only be able to type, it's binary, zeros and ones. I apologize for the audio, but what does the PRT source print screen? Does that print screen button do? Captures on the screen and copies it to clipboard, saving a P. No, it doesn't. No, I think it's B, right? Is it B? Yeah, okay. I always use this command during school days, even nowadays. So, this mobile OS held the largest market share in 2012. Bruh. Oh gosh. Okay, so hold on. OS. I'm thinking iOS. Let's go. BlackBerry, I don't think it's an OS. I don't think so, is it? What was the name given to Android 4.3, not 7.0? Ugh. Jellybean, Lollipop, Froyo, Nutella. Yes, so, even though I am an Android user, I don't know the names of this particular device. I could use Ask a Friend, but this is one of those questions where even if I use 50-50, I think I'd just go Ask a Friend. But let me understand, if I had to guess what the audience would say, I reckon I'll say Jellybean, because jelly beans are nice. Yeah. Jelly beans. Hey. Oh dear. Oh man. Nice. Gotta love them jelly beans. Okay. What is the name of the default theme that is installed with Windows XP? Neptune, Luna, Bliss, Whistler. What is the name of the default theme that is installed with Windows XP? I mean, I remember I know the the startup screen for Windows XP, but I don't know much beyond that. Oh, interesting. I'm gonna see if I ask my friend. Oh man, he doesn't know the answer. Sugar. Oh folks, this might be it. 50-50, but okay. Luna or Bliss? You want my honest guess? If I was a developer at Windows back then, what would I have called it? Would I have called it Bliss or Luna? I think Luna's a pretty cool name, so I'm gonna go Luna. B. Final answer. Oh man. Okay, nice. LaserJet and inkjet printers are both examples of what type of printer? Non-impact printer, laserjet, okay. Dot matrix printer, impact printer, daisy wheel printer. LaserJet and inkjet printers are examples of what type of printer? If I had to go on a hunch, LaserJet? Really? LaserJet and inkjet. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good question. And here's the thing, right? My instinct my inkling is impact printer, but LaserJet and inkjet, does it actually cause impact? That's what I'm trying to understand. Like, I'm really digging and deeping a lot on the non-impact. Is it non-impact or is it impact in actual reality? Okay, I'm gonna go with non-impact because I could see. I'm not gonna rationalize. I'm not gonna justify why because it's stupid. But I don't think it's dot matrix. I don't think it's daisy wheel. Non-impact. Final answer. Let's go. Oh, yo, okay. There we go. That's how we do it. Nice. Oh, that was lucky. All right. The name of technology company HP stands for what? Oh, HP, okay. Howard Packman, Husker Polusk, Hellman Pohl, Hewlett Packard. Okay, this is interesting. So, I am on $8,000. Now, $8,000 isn't my highest score, so I'm more than happy to answer on a whim, basically. So, I don't have an inkling, I've got to be honest, folks, but I want to say A to an extent, just because B, C, and D are like double-barreled names. Is that possible that they can call themselves that? I mean, yeah, no, I'm gonna be honest. I don't think I have no grounds. I have nothing to go off on. I'm gonna go with a final answer. Like, I don't know. For the future, we'll understand. D. Would I have went for D? I don't know, man. I don't know. But if we go on that, we would. Yeah, that was a tough game. Good games. Okay. In any programming language, what is the common way to iterate through an array for loops? Swift. Oh, hold on a minute. We had this question in the last one. Okay, Swift. Swift is used by Apple, right? Why Objective-C? Is it Objective-C? I just remembered the answer. On Twitter, what was the original character limit? Oh crap, I actually forgot. Is it 140? Our brain is like going all in. Local area network. So I should be reading you questions to make it entertaining for my variety of audiences. Okay, what does the computer software acronym JVM stand for? So we already answered this, and the answer is Java Virtual Machine. Alright, nice. Okay, questions 6 through 10 are not easy. Okay, so which operating system was released first? Ooh, okay. I don't think it's Linux though. Imagine it was. I think it's either C or B, Mac or Windows. So which operating system was released first? Now, I can imagine Windows to an extent. I can see that, low-key. But what I will do is I could do 50-50? No, because I feel like Windows had a huge market share for a reason, right? I feel like they're the first ones to actually... I think it's Windows. But what the heck is OS2? So should we do 50-50? Okay, so 50-50 took away Windows and Linux. So we have OS and Mac OS. Oh my gosh. Is it really OS2? What on earth is that? Are we so confused if it's Mac? Is it really Mac? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna have to go ask a friend. Okay, so our friend says it's Mac. Okay, Mac. Wow, I didn't know this. Low key, what? Wow. Wow, I was not expecting this. So Mac was the first operating system to be released first. What is the main CPU? Oh, what is the main CPU is the Sega Mega Drive / Sega Genesis. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Are we not? Oh no. If it was me, the main CPU, I think it's A. Is it A? Sega is it? Oh, Motorola? What? Oh man, guys, we are rusty tonight. Oh man, we are not on a roll today. But we gotta keep grinding, learn from our mistakes. You know, HTML is what type of language? It is a markup language. Definitely recommend if you're into web development, definitely learn HTML. What amount of bits commonly equals 1 byte? What amount? Tell me it's 8, please. Thank you. Yeah, no, it was 8, yeah. If you were to code software with this language, you'll only be able to type zeros and ones, binary. How long is an IPv6 address? It's very long. I'll say that much. Oh sugar. It's not. It can't be bytes. Oh. It's 128 bits or 128 bytes. I'm trying to think. Let's think about this rationally. So remember there's 8 bits in a byte. I still don't think that's enough. I'm trying to think. Wait, hold on. So there are 8 bits in a byte. Yeah, let's just choose 50-50. Perfect. Bits. Nicely done, lads. Nicely done. I had to go with the flow. Okay, so the computer OEM manufacturer Clevo, known for its Sega notebook line, is based on which country? I believe this is Taiwan. Based on it's not China. Tell me it's not the US. And again, this is from a previous episode, so that's how I know it. In the server hosting industry, IaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service. So that is the Infrastructure as a Service. Okay, nice. We still have 2 lifelines. In HTML, which non-standard tag used to be used to make elements scroll across the viewport? I remember Googling this question too when I got this answer wrong, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the marquee tag, which is now deprecated. Okay. Learning from our mistakes. Told you. When did the online streaming service Mixer launch? Okay, Mixer's very recent as well. Mixer. So I know it's not. I don't think it's. Okay, so I feel very confident it's C. Because we all know the story of Ninja getting signed up to Mixer. But. I'm very tempted to have a safeguard and make sure we get through the next round. So I'm gonna ask a friend. Yeah, he thinks it's 2016. Let's do it. Just to be on the safe side, we made it this far. make sure we get the right answer, and move on. I think makes it also, I think Shroud as well. They got big bucks from that. So the name technology company HP stands for what? Oh, we just had this question as well. Oh crap. I'll try to visualize. It wasn't Howard Packman. It wasn't Hellman Poe. I don't think it was Husker. I think it was C. I think we done it. We learned from our mistakes. Let's go. 32 grand in the bank. Let's freaking go. Alright. So, the internet domain .fm is the country code top level domain for which Pacific Ocean island nation? Tuvalu, Fiji, Marshall Islands, Micronesia. FM, I have no idea. And I wouldn't even know how to make a deduction. I'm more than happy to go ahead and ask the audience on this one. So let's do it. So 52% are saying D, which sounds really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go for Micronesia. Give me that 64 grand in the bank. Okay. I think we're almost on our personal best now. So, who invented the spanning tree protocol? Paul Vixie, Vint Cerf, Radia Perlman, Michael Roberts. Who invented the spanning tree protocol? I actually have. Oh, this is gonna be so tough. Oh man. Spanning tree. I don't even know what. Is this in tech? Is this in development? I would imagine this is somehow related to spanning tree protocol. You know what? Asking the audience would have been so convenient. Let alone asking a friend would have been so convenient here. Okay, I'm gonna go on a whim. I'm gonna go with Michael Roberts. A generic, a generic name. What? Okay, I was not actually gonna select Radia Perlman. All right, good caves, good freaking caves. All right, this has been an absolute blast. Okay, I'm gonna end it right here. So we pretty much made it as far towards the 64 grand, and we have flopped. I'm joking. No, it's been good, man. It's been good, and we want to keep the content alive. I had a lot of fun in this one, and yeah, I'm gonna try and keep a measure of what my actual high score was, and aim to try and beat that. Because I think to get beyond 64 grand, I think was the highest I've gotten. But I think that was in the last episode, so I think I tied it. So I'll take that as a win. Okay, so I just checked on the my previous video, and actually my highest score in that one, I actually made it to 32 grand. I actually got the 64 grand question incorrect. So in this episode, we actually beat it. So now our highest score to this date is now 64 grand. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we done it. So in the next episode, can we get $250,000? Will I be a millionaire so I can get off this channel, close my channel, take a vacation, and you know, have a freaking good one? Well, we shall see. But in all honesty, though, I'm really glad that we actually made good progress on this one, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. And yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.